Starting around 25 November 2023 in a real sense spell exceptionally token especially is exchanging at $0.000660 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.35% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is genuinely huge. Spell most certainly has a truly all-out market cap of $70,849,568, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $178,430,700 in a really significant manner. This by and large makes truly Spell genuinely token, Spell, especially positioning at 374 in the digital money market in an exceptionally enormous manner. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Spell truly token cost expectation end of 2023, what will essentially Spell sort of token in a real sense be in every practical sense worth in 2023, which in a real sense is very huge? Is by and large Spell kind of token a sort of wise speculation, or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite enormous manner? Will by and large Spell cost basically outperform its unequaled for the most part high in an unobtrusive manner? These fundamentally are basically Spell commonly token cost expectations for Spell's future, or so they really thought. Spell pretty token, Spell, value expectation 2023 as per the Spell, especially token conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Spell cost explicitly is supposed to for the most part cross an extremely normal value level of $0.000515. The normal certainly least value worth of generally Spell truly token toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to in a real sense be $0.000496 in an unpretentious manner. Besides for the most part Spell can basically arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.000540, which sort of is very critical. Spell truly token value figure November 2023, the in every way that really matters, normal cost of generally Spell kind of token, Spell, could especially go to $0.000500 toward the finish of November 2023, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Spell could essentially be exchanging around a sort of most extreme worth of $0.000515, with the kind of least expected cost of $0.000457 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell commonly token value estimate December 2023, the truly normal cost of explicitly Spell certainly token, Spell, could go to $0.000515 toward the finish of December 2023 in a very large manner. Spell could be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of $0.000540, with the especially least expected cost of $0.000496, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell pretty token fundamentally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Spell token's cost in every practical sense has shown a by and large great increment of 21.68% in the truly most recent 24 hours, which explicitly is very huge. From for the most part most recent 7 days the Spell in a real sense was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 38.21%, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Spell exceptionally token for the most part has shown areas of strength for extremely all expectations and purposes potential of late, and this could be genuinely great chance to dive right in and truly put resources into a very large way without a doubt. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of certainly Spell generally diminished by 16.858%, killing an incredible kind of normal amount of $0.000134 from its ongoing worth, or so they basically thought. This unexpected down essentially implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a sort of good by and large purchase a potential open door for sort of speedy speculation, showing that especially Spell could especially be exchanging around in every practical sense. Greatest worth of $0.000515 with the for the most part least expected cost of $0.000457 in a quite enormous manner. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 10.50%, and the cost in a real sense, coursed from a by and large least truly normal cost of $0.000684 to truly most extreme pretty normal cost of $0.000745 in the truly beyond 90 days. which explicitly shows that in every practical sense, SPEL exceptionally token certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The SPEL token's cost especially has shown a by and large great increment of 21.68% in the for the most part, most recent 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In certainly most recent 4 months for the most part SPEL certainly token certainly has shown a developing pattern, truly further appearance how in every practical sense, SPEL exceptionally token, SPEL, value expectation 2023, as per the SPEL, certainly token figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the SPEL cost basically is supposed to cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.000515, the normal genuinely least value worth of in a real sense, SPEL pretty token toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to explicitly be $0.000496 in an extremely significant manner. Subsequently, we basically believe that comparable pieces of the market explicitly were very famous at that period, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. As per without a doubt the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of essentially SPEL especially token, sort of has expanded from 4 months in a by and large significant manner. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, by and large further appearance, how basically SPEL could be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of $0.000515, with the extremely least expected cost of $0.000457 in a kind of huge manner. The coin truly is up by 16.97% with the in every practical sense, greatest kind of normal cost of the coin certainly was around $0.000546 and the truly least truly normal cost of fundamentally was around $0.000537 and genuinely beyond 4 months, exhibiting how in this manner, we really feel that comparable pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period. Which in a real sense is very huge. SPEL genuinely token value gauge 2023 facts. What will all things considered be truly SPEL in every way that really matters, token most certainly worth in 2023, which by and large is genuinely critical. The SPEL cost is estimated to fundamentally arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0.000540, with truly least cost of $0.000496 toward the finish of 2023, which explicitly is very huge. Does essentially SPEL certainly token most certainly have a future, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Concerning cost, really SPEL in every practical sense, token basically has an exceptional by and large potential to generally arrive at new levels, showing how this sort of makes fundamentally SPEL pretty token, SPEL, for the most part positioning at 374 in the cryptographic money market, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. It explicitly is conjecture that certainly SPEL will increment in esteem, which basically shows that consequently, we fundamentally believe that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period, which generally is genuinely huge. As per explicit specialists and business examiners, by and large SPEL pretty token can generally stir things up around